Well, hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today I'm celebrating hashtag New Beers Day. It's something my friend the dude from the Dude's Kitchen's doing, and it's celebrating beer. And you know what? I kind of like beer. I'm going to be using this beer and making something. I'm making beer, bacon, blue cheese, potato salad. Let's get started. I'm going to start by chopping and boiling some potatoes. I'm using red potatoes. I'm chopping up some scallions. The beer I'm going to be using is this one. It's a salted caramel stout. What makes this beer special is that it comes from this brewery, Breakside Brewery, which is actually from the town where I live. And what's special about using a Breakside beer is that the dude, Mike, is also from this town. Isn't that unusual? So yes, I'm celebrating Mike by having this beer from our town. What's also special is that this stout is in collaboration with a local ice cream company called Salt and Straw. So they did it in collaboration with them. Salted caramel stout, and it's 6.7% alcohol. It smells simply fabulous. And the taste, sinfully delicious. Time to cook some bacon. Fry it up in the air fryer. Let's make some sauce. Mayonnaise. We need a little brown mustard. This is homemade mustard. Now comes the beer, half a cup. Garlic powder, hot sauce, salt, and pepper. Mix that up. Add the potatoes to the sauce and the green onions. 1 cup of blue cheese crumbles and some crumbled up bacon pieces. Now we're just going to mix that all together. Beer, bacon, blue cheese, potato salad? Come on! Yes! Let's try it. Those are some great flavors. I love the creaminess of it. I totally taste the beer in my bite. And that bacon and blue cheese. What? This is a potato salad you gotta try. I love celebrating New Beers Day. And if you want to keep celebrating New Beers Day, you need to check out the hashtag. Hashtag New Beers Day. Okay? And you'll see a bunch more people celebrating beer. Thanks, dude, for hosting this collaboration. What is the difference between beer nuts and deer nuts? Well, usually beer nuts are about a little over $1, while deer nuts are always under $1.